Hi, Cabo is here. Today I am going to record the second video on my channel. It will be the Polish school IT or computer science blah 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 exam. So what we'll be doing? By the way, I've spent a lot of time translating this. Wait, let me actually get this. Okay, never mind. I think it will be all. It will be this. Yeah, I've translated this all, so you don't have to worry about what all of this means. There will be some Polish names, but it will be, I think, bearable for you. Is there some? I don't know. This OS really good yet? Okay, never mind the time. So we'll spend like an hour or two doing all of those tasks, and after this I will make a short break and try to figure it out how many percents do I get and if I pass. To pass I need to get 75%. By the way, sorry for yapping too long before I start, but you gotta understand what's happening. It's the second exam that students in Poland on the computer science major of the middle school take. If you pass both of them, you get the IT major degree. I've passed the first one, and the test I am doing now, I will be doing in 7 months. Of course, it won't be exactly the same, but something similar, I guess. To do it, you need to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and SQL. In this case, because unfortunately I had to check it already, so I translate, there's no PHP. It's lucky good because I kinda struggled with XAMPP. I barely installed it on Linux, but it works. I can even show. I think it works. I'll make a new database, but it will be in a moment. Okay, so I think I can move on to do it. Okay, so there's some folder in 7z named pliki10 and password. I've as it is not professional, I've just extracted it here. I actually have even the shell, but yeah. Okay, the second one, make a folder with my personal number. It is a number that identifies every person. I'm not going to reveal my sensitive data here, so I just named the folder personal. I could name it however I want. It's not the exam. Results, I don't know. Nah, just leave it as it is. Fuck. There is some photo that we will use in a moment. Okay, so we have to make a database named obuwie, so shoes, something like this. It has to have Polish characters, and this is already the first thing I couldn't understand, because in this exam is made so we don't understand it. You know what I mean? Like, if there's anything unclear, there is just 50% you will make it correctly, even if you know it. Maybe you will do it correctly, but maybe the examinators had a different idea. Anyway, I think that the main UTF will use every language, so this will be fine. So just create a database. Not making any table yet. Okay, we got an import. This exam is, by the way, named INF.03. There is also INF.02. I once heard about INF.04. That is on different majors. But never heard about one. I don't think it is important. gotta import this file. Okay, import. So there are, I've seen the shed a while ago, but I haven't seen those tables yet. So I am the same surprise as you. Okay, make a screenshot and save it as import JPG. What it means. In the here it was kind of better explained. Hold on a moment. I gotta show that there is the correct import of tables, so I will do it. And what is important, none of the screenshot can have framed. I mean, it is technically framed. I don't know. I gotta paste it in the folder. And save it as, this has to be import JPEG. Okay. It is very important to name it correctly. Import JPEG. Okay. Now, for queries, okay, we have to make a text file querendy.txt, so queries, but in Polish, in my beautiful language. Notepad. As I said, I don't know this OS correctly much. I will make it here. PESEL. Querendy. The format will be there is, yeah, the text. Okay, the first query. Select the color and material. By the way, product. So there is color and material. Yeah, this is the code, model, color, material, height of the shoe. I don't know, and name of the file. I think those files aren't here, by the way. And we gotta select the color and material where the shoe size is higher than 10. Higher, not exact. Where shoe wysokość buta, it is in Polish, is higher, not equal than 10. And we want only color and material. Okay, this will be fine. Check if it's... Oh my god. I forgot I'm Polish now. Boże. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Color and material. And is it this one? I guess. So it will be the first one. I don't know how to actually variant it. If there's like, if there should be something like, I guess there should not be. Second one, select the name and shoe size and the category. Gotta use the relation. Okay, let's see how does the relation work. Once more, color, material, wait, no, name, shoe size and category. This will be fine. Wait, where's the relation actually? There was some photo. Product, wait, so there's category ID, that is an integer, linked to this, and there's a model linked to this. So I gotta use this also, okay. So I gotta use the inner join command like twice. Okay. We had it recently on the lessons, but I knew it before, I guess. Okay, so categories. Inner join, and there will be boot shoes on. It will be ID card equals this double, not just single. I got a, that's this one. Equals category ID of the category. That's what it means. I guess you figured it out. Product. And in the same way, product model. So model, it is the same, I guess. Categoria. Wait, actually, I should point the obuwie. Wait, no, buty, not obuwie. Obuwie is name of the database, I guess. The dots model, yeah. This will be fine. And what it was: name, shoe size, and the category. Okay. So there is no where conditions. Name will be here. No, yeah, yes, here. Wysokość buta, so shoe size. I mean size, it's actually height, not size. Sorry for lagging for a moment, but it is, you know, I'm getting closer. There are like 12 columns in the whole database. Alright. The height be wysokość. So height, I don't know. Category and the name of the category. Let's see if it even works. It doesn't work as there is some syntax error. Oh my god. It is weird. I'm actually gonna ensure if it is even. I pasted it. It is fine. ID category. The boot where there is also ID category and there is model. So yeah, okay. So it is syntax error for sure. Okay, so I am imbecile. I didn't know that I cannot put. I mean, I know it, but I forgot that I cannot put those two around, you know, the table name. This is correct, I guess. I will make it. And I forgot about one thing. I got two screenshots, so I'll make those two fastly. Alright. Pamiętaj, żeby pliki ocenzurować, jak to montujesz. Okay, so there's KW1, yeah, KW1 to KW4. It was PNG. Yeah, I don't care. There's. Where is this? Ah, I made wrong screenshot, never mind. Wait, actually, what have I done? It is surely a dummy moment. Yeah, I cannot even load it. There is... Ah, yeah, here is the screenshot folder. Okay, it will be kavu2 kavu2 png v, because that's how we pronounce it in this language, but I guess that doesn't make a huge difference to you. Okay, once more, so it doesn't get any worse. Okay, the screenshot folder. By the way, it was not a good idea to make this exam on Linux, but I am used to this. Bro, bye. Kavu1 PNG. Yeah, dobra. The third one. Oh my god, we just said the third one. This has to be make an user. Aha, I will make this wrong, surely. We gotta make graphic. Okay, not this. Actually, I can take it away. So we gotta make file banner JPG. Okay, it will be based on klaviatura JPG. Okay. It had to be, I was copying it, so I remember like this. I won't name it yet. The background for the beginning give it. I will just put it here. This has to be based on klaviatura JPG, so keyboard. Banner is obviously banner. It has to be framed a bit, I guess. What are the files? But common Arial bold in italic. The font has to be 60 size, and white, of course. It is already white. Okay, I guess I can save this as PNG. Okay. What have I done, actually? Okay, never mind. I do export, not save. In the same. It has to be JPG or banner JPG. Okay, it will be fine. So I think I can close it. It's fine now. I know, I wanted to check what the fuck is going on with the files. It is interesting. This is very interesting. But I think I can delete this safely. Okay, there's two subpages were similar. Index.html and raty. Raty is installments. Okay, there is special folder. Index.html. There is also raty HTML. There will be also style CSS, and I don't remember what script. This will be looking good. This is nice. I will open the live later. Okay, at the beginning I will just edit this, and later we'll go by to raty and change a bit, because it will be similar. Okay, the basic one, you already have like 6 points if you do it. HTML5, so the newest one, so it works. Both are in Polish. UTF-8 works for the charset, not charset. Kursy komputerowe as the name. A linked CSS. Nice, it is named as it should be. But by the way, if you ask if it is legal to use Visual Code Studio, that hints you basically everything on this test. Yeah, that's how it works. But we can of course use GitHub Copilot because the pieces are fresh, new. Divided on header, menu, main, and footer. We gotta use semantic tags from HTML5. The problem is that neither in Polish and English I don't know what does it even mean. Like on image 3, it already was, I think it is above. Which number it was? I think it is the third. So yeah. Okay, firstly divided on header. Menu, I don't know if it is. I think this is a tag. I am not sure actually. Again, I gotta apologize for my pure skills. Okay. In header you add banner JPG with text kursy komputerowe. There was, I gotta refer, I closed it already, so never mind. I think that the text is like what is already on the banner. So I'll just EMG, banner, JPG. I finished it here, I will add computer courses, if you still don't know what it is. No, but actually I wrote it in lowercase, so I don't know. In menu, I'm not sure if this is working correctly. link to the site you're already in. I should write it in Polish characters, but on this OS I don't have Polish keyboard and I was too lazy to add it. Apologize again. Koszt orat, so price of the installments. And there is some site that we got just copy there. Alright. Footer has paragraph, author strony and my personal number. Again, I don't want to leak it, so I will just paragraph. So it has to be author strony PESEL. Yeah, where? Okay, here I will just check if it works. Well, I didn't add CSS yet, so it is not that bad. I will just leave it here. Everything here has to be the same, so it's good. Main of index HTML. Second tier heading, I don't know if I wrote it correctly. Komputerowe programowanie. So, computer courses coding. I'm going to translate it all. A table from 4 columns? I think I made a typo. Wait, it refers to pick 4. I think I didn't paste it, this word. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it has to be 3, not 4. So I made a typo here. What I was? This will be. I will use the table tag instead of something normal. I don't remember it actually. I will try to make it normally. Because you know you can do it with grid or with flex, but it will be not demanded by the examinators as they want to just follow the orders. I mean, us to follow their orders. Okay, I think it goes for the row. Wait, I will actually check it. I don't know if I do it correctly, I think so. Nazwa, so the name. Course of the React.js. And the same but for JavaScript. Number of hours and the price. Okay, my mom was in my room, but I'm back now. Kojin, lowercase, we cannot do mistakes like this. Cena, price. 5,000. 3,000. 150. 220. I'm not sure if it is working actually. Now I'm doing something bad. Actually don't know if I'm using those tags. Alright. Okay. third tier heading address do korespondencji. So the correspondence address. Address do korespondencji. Unordered list. I wanted, like, in Polish, a lot of things sound completely unrelated to HTML tags and CSS. In English, it is exactly the same, but that's good actually. Address Katowice, city in Poland. Let's call it name of some street that probably doesn't even exist. This phone number probably also didn't exist. Try to I think that the link has also to be computer courses, of course. And skontaktuj się means contact us. Still don't have Polish letters. Normally I would get -point for it. I think this is all. This is still no CSS, but the CSS is like the easiest part about it. We're at HTML. This is nice. Okay. Third tier heading. Oblicz miesięczną ratę. Two checkboxes. Input checkbox. Nice. It was shift. Input type checkbox. Do I close the input tag? Wait, what the fuck? Or maybe it should be like not value but text maybe. It was course. First was React.js. Well, maybe not. Placeholder, maybe not, but I will try it. Probably not value. It is something different. But what if I just close the input tag? Will it work? Wait, I will check how it looks. This has to... it may be label. Course React.js. It will be basically the same, but JavaScript. There will be some values, blah blah blah. Wait, it actually has to have the same name, I think. Not this window. It shouldn't look like this. Input field to get number each barat, so how many installments. rat, I gotta change the order. This, it has to go to the new line. I guess I won't be copying too much, I can just do it. Right. It is 50 minutes of recording. We are not that far. I guess it will take half of an hour more. If you watch it, you see already. I do not unfolding this. I mean, folding. I think that's not the correct English word. Anyway. But I should add it all to the form, I guess. I absolutely shouldn't. Select. Not sure. Option. I will even see if it even works. Yeah, it's working. Warszawa, Katowice and Gdańsk are Polish cities. It is, I guess, asking where are the courses happening. We're going to say exactly. So there is like no question. It's fine. Name. It has to be. I will come back to this later. Button. There will be oblige, so calculate. Does it look normally? Yeah, but there has to be break again. Controls placement, I didn't understand it neither in Polish or English. This is a word. Rozmieszczenia, so placement of some controls, like in the picture 5. The picture 5 is, I guess it has to just, go to the next line and it will be fine. So, empty paragraph. It has to be under. Okay. ID output. This will be it. CSS. Okay, so we'll make it to this. Font family. Helvetica, whatever it is. Body. Background color will be it's in the game. For main and footer, the background will be. I will make two different sectors. I guess it will be useful later. Background color 625B 5B. I will actually. Okay, I'm not going to cook with variables. It will be not good for this exam. I can actually do it like this though, because there are many things to do. Font color white. Inside margins. This is a direct translation from Polish. Actually, it means padding, but I didn't want to make it, look some obvious. Text align center. Okay. EMG with percent. Okay. The list outside margin, so just margin. Left. That's 40. Pointer. I don't know if it's actually named pointer. I mean the dot that is on the left side. I will again show the Polish shit. Typ punktora. Pointer, I don't know. Oh my god. I may actually skip this one, but I wanted max points for it. This will be... No. This is not how I do it. Okay, for links. So, ensures. Links in menu. I think it is working. I will see. Font, wave, bold, background, E again, padding, stand pegs, margin, 50 px. You can say it's obvious, but in Polish language they're really trying to make it sound, so horrifying. For the table, border, there has to be dots. What's the order? Damn. Yeah, there is something like this. I do not want to continue with Copilot, I guess. 60% the width. The margin left. I stopped writing that's outside margin. We all know it already. Align like position. Wait, what do they mean actually? Line self. Oh, center. There is class control key. I don't know what this class is. Okay, I think it will be maybe every tag actually. There was a photo describing what control key is actually. Like everything here. Just for peace, I will add it. I don't know. To labels I don't add it actually, I guess. What am I doing? Maybe not here. It is looking, I don't know. Maybe I will add it to labels as well. And that's how the tasks on this exam work. This is very hard to understand sometimes. Well, I think we can leave it as it is. Okay, we're done with CSS. Time for the JS file. Is there any information how it has to be named actually? I don't see any mention about the name of this file, so I just name it script CSS. Okay, like basically I don't know what have I just said. It is probably the worst thing that ever happened in the history of programming. Script CSS. Like, what do I mean? Like, what am I going to make functions in CSS? I am so silly. Okay, never mind it. Just log in. Just opens after clicking oblige. I mean the function. Like function oblige. There will be some data. Pass. There is no. Maybe there is. Never mind. There is no oblige. There's the oblige button. On click, I think it was oblige. I would need to, I guess, link the script. Wait. Okay, I hope it's not supposed to be inside. I guess it doesn't matter. From some reason that I cannot understand, functions and variables must be either in Polish or English. I will choose English. Okay, maybe I already don't do it. Constant. I'm confusing languages very much with Python. By ID, output. Okay. There will be no arguments as it is called by the HTML anyway. Okay, dobra. Takes data from the cells. Cells. Either they mean cells of index.html or rat.html. From, oh my god. So it has to take data from this table here. Ah, nah. I am just stupid and I wrote the task incorrectly. Okay. So var React.js equals 5,000. There's no need for currency. JS price equals, wait, this different color? I don't remember the price. 3,000. Okay, I don't know if it's... by the way, I forgot about this, but I guess it will work anyway. I don't know if it's needed, but I will add it. React hours var JS hours 220 and 150. Okay, collects the whole price for choosing courses based on pick 4. Okay, I was writing it by myself, but no, I don't remember everything. Okay, it's checked 2, now 1, there will be second. It is, I don't know if a good way to do it. So I gotta do IDs there. I will use ID, it's not ethical, but nah. Check box 1. Check box 2, right. Document get element by ID. I hope I will know how to use it. Now, checked. Okay, console log. I don't know if it actually works. Let's put it to the right side. Where does it... Did I write calculate? Okay, at least it is working. So the same here. I will overcook with ternary operators. Is checked 1. This will be 5,000 or nothing. Plus, just in case, I will add one more bracket. Check. There, 2. Okay, just in console log total. I don't know why, but it works. Word. Okay. Document get doc element by ID, and I don't know if there is any ID. Installments. I wonder if anyone will be listening to my yapping for an hour. Value. It is undefined. Input value. Yeah, it is value. I am stupid. Okay. Installment. By the way, there should be some different declaration. I mean, any declaration. I don't know why did it work. Cons installment, one installment equals total divided by installments output text content equals I guess there's nothing to add, like f-string in Python. Course odbędzie. The course will happen in miasto. I gotta check the miasto. If I just city equals get element by ID. ID is it will be like, by the way, this one is gonna be deleted. City value, right? City total cost is there's a dollar before it. Zula, I don't have the Polish signs here. You pay it will be there's another problem I have to solve. I think this string type doesn't allow variables. Installment where was for okay, enter information that explain what it means. Yeah, we don't care. I think that's all. I just gotta ensure it works. Is there any yeah, I think I had to fix. Now it is correct. but I don't know if I shouldn't debug the installment, because if I make it it will be none. I will see it in the Polish shit. Well, there's no word about it. So I think I'm done. In the end, add text file, przeglądarka txt, and add przeglądarkę z web browser, and add the name of web browser. I don't know if I have to make it any, like there's much space here and it doesn't look good. I think I don't care. So yeah, like new document. Firefox, and I think it is all. Yeah, this is time. I have 150 minutes. I think I'm not going to leave after 90 minutes. Anyway, we have to record CDs. I'm not doing it here. Actually, I got this information. And yeah. Hello, it's been like 2 days after recording that video. Now I am editing it. The only reason why I do record another, it was because I was supposed to check it and figured out how many points I would get. The side problem is that I'm not exactly sure about how the point system is working here. And I was checking, I think it would be like about of 75%, maybe I would pass. The only thing I want to show now, because I was severely complaining about how complicated the questions here. There was I think about CSS. For example, if you added CSS to body, font family to body instead of to the star, you already have no point. Maybe this one is bearable, I don't know. I think that a lot of questions can still use some points. Also, there was a question when I was just in SQL. I just confused one thing, and also no point. This was this one, I think. I'm not sure. Those slides didn't even done. I've got it from the video. For example, here I would maybe lose points because there are more buttons visible than insert and delete. It makes sense, yeah. But yeah, it's all. I think that next videos will be shorter because I really hate editing so long videos. Also, I don't know if anyone is going to watch over an hour. Maybe we'll make it shorter. But currently it seems like it's going to be over an hour. But anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe, please.